Hello and welcome everyone to the next episode on Anubhav Learning Series with anubhavtrainings.com. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the common issues which you are all facing in your SAP BTP trial account with regard to trial limit exceed. So most of you nowadays building the SAP BTP applications as multi-target applications, and you're all using the SAP Business Application Studio as a preferred tool for packaging and deploying your applications to the BTP environment. Very recently, I have built also a multi-target application which is using the HTML5 module and a standalone app router. And when I was trying my deployment to the trial account, I faced a weird issue that my trial limit exceeded to deploy the app. However, I have hardly used my trial account. So today we will discuss how to solve this problem without really changing your SAP BTP trial account. So let's go ahead and talk about the same. I'll switch over back to my SAP BTP environment where I had already created a multi-target application. And you can see also I have a UI module, and I also have my unmanaged app router or a standalone app router module. We've created an MTA YAML which contains the app router module, the UI module, and the deployer module to HTML5 repository. So what we will do, we will now right click and build the MTA project, which will then eventually create the multi-target application for deployment. So it is now building the multi-target application, you can see, which is usually the standard deployment format to SAP BTP environment, whether you're building Fury applications for the cloud or whether you're building the CAP-based applications using the Node.js or Java. Now, once the packaging is done, you can see the MTA archive has been created. And now when I right click and try to deploy the MTA archive, I get this issue that my free trial limit exceeded. We need to upgrade to standard plan. So perhaps this may be a marketing strategy or a strategy towards pushing the trial users towards a standard plan. But there is another workaround which is possible, which you can use to deploy still your application to SAP BTP Cloud Foundry, and that is using Cloud Foundry command line interface. So what you got to do is you got to open a new terminal, which you can also do it from the left side, new terminal, and then you make sure that you are inside the project directory, which is this one. And then I will just do a CF login. So first of all, I'll log into my SAP BTP Cloud Foundry environment. I will enter my credentials of my trial account, and I will also enter my password. So now I'm just connecting to my SAP BTP account. So you can see now I have been authenticated to my BTP account. And the next step, what I will do is I simply do say CF deploy, and I will say MTA archive folder. This is the folder where we have the memtar file, and I will put my application name, the mtar address. That's it. Press enter, and voila, you can see now the deployment have started without the error message which I was getting earlier while using the graphical deployment option. So this is the way you can proceed further and solve your problem. Kindly check the description of this YouTube video, which also have these commands which I've used in the command prompt. You can follow along and accordingly deploy your mtar applications without really upgrading your account to a standard version. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you to solve the problem and cater to the one of the most important challenge for deployment. If you want more content like this, please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we release new videos like this, new informative videos like this. Please do share the channel with your fellow colleagues in the WhatsApp group so they can also take an advantage of this free content on YouTube on SAP BTP, SAP Analytics Cloud, SAP UI5 Fiori, CDS views, RESTful application programming model, and many technical topics on SAP. So this is Anubhav signing out. Once again, thank you so much for being part of this video. I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice day and bye.